24 minutes after 10 o'clock. Welcome to Ask a Man, Thursday edition. The Naked DJ is here. Hi, Buna.
Good morning, Kutso.
Morning.
Super.
Som, are you good?
I'm ecstatic. Thank you.
Why are you excited?
I'm ecstatic.
Oh, you're ecstatic.
Yes.
Why?
Life.
Life.
You know,
is-
breathing in and out is a privilege.
Absolutely.
Right.
Guaranteed.
Soothing as well.
Don't know what happened yesterday on Ask a Man.
Oh, yesterday there was a lady that called who's been in that relationship for 4 years until she was confronted by a lady that says she is the wife, they are married and so forth and so on. And now she's bleeding nonstop because she thinks it's witchcraft and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Then I'm minding my own business and then I get a... And please stop sending me voice notes with company profile. Some person are tongue as baby.
Okay.
Please. How? Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna get an order. Let's listen.
Hi, unjani? Eish, sorry inboxela this voice no delay nane. I was listening to Ask a Man and I tried putting it through no putting send a voice note regarding le anonymous. Noma bathi izinto ziyafana emhlabeni. Hayi mara le yona anonymous is dating uguy lo bengimdate nami. The same thing lesivakatshela anonymous lezinto lezivakangitshela zona nami. But here's the twist. Bakangitshela lezo zinto lezo. But bengazi nango anonymous lo fonile ukuthi anonymous was a girl lo wamchithela wamthola anomuntu embedeni and then anonymous wathi ashiye phansi ikhaya lakhe ukuthi ba move in together. Anonymous bakadululi
Yeah.
and anonymous bakadululi.
So yeah, it is what it is. So basically, short translation, she's saying she's also dated Anonymous's boyfriend. He does the same thing. He says the same thing to all the ladies that he's dated. And Anonymous once found him in bed with someone else.
Wait, who found who in bed?
That's the confusion.
Or is it
part.
the guy?
The
guy once found Anonymous that called us in bed with another man.
Anonymous found the guy in bed with someone else.
Oh.
And then instead of Anonymous leaving, the guy convinced her to leave your place and move in with me and leave everything. We'll sort this out. Let's be exclusive.
Okay.
And also the part that didn't say the guy is not married as he claims to be, or as they claim to be. He's always wearing a ring to look like he's married. So and you see, it's proof that women, especially, women have this thing of chasing after married men, thinking they're going to replace the wife.
Oh, wow.
So that's a catch. The ring is a lure.
A hook and sink.
Bait.
It baits. Click,
Yeah, you
click
think
bait.
you're baiting someone, Ganti. They've mastered the bait.
bait. And then they're gonna your click bait. They're gonna bait your click.
Thank you for the update. Thank you to Anonymous sending you that voice note. So, at least, we've come full circle from yesterday's Ask a Man. Let's get into today. Let's bring on Anonymous for this Thursday. Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, how are you?
Good, thanks, and you?
Good.
Anonymous, thank you for your patience.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to read you the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Fully.
We are here. We are listening.
Oh, guys, this one is another story. Hey, I spoke to you guys somewhere last year around September, I believe. Yeah, I had a situation between my partner and the side girl that I had at the time. So after I got a bit of grilling from Naked, I decided, I need to check myself in the mirror and just fix myself. Fine, I've been trying to do that. It worked from September just until last week. What happened, this girl, she decided to call me out of the blue, and then she says to me, cousin, where are you? I need to see you. Okay, luckily I was not exactly that far from where she was, so I said, it's fine, I'm coming to you. I drove to her, I went to see her, and then even now, when I'm calling, I'm just trying to figure out what is the point of her meeting with me? Because I can't seem to get the answers from her. Now I'm the one who's struggling to again move on from her after I saw her. So I just don't know what's wrong. I don't know. I don't know. Because my conflict when I called somewhere last year, it was a conflict of her being better than my partner in bed. It was something like that, of which someone in your studio made sure I got in line and I got in line. So after seeing the lady again this past Friday, I don't know, those feelings just came up running. And now I can't get her out of my mind anymore. And when I'm talking to her, she doesn't want anything to do with me. And now I find myself in a space where I'm wondering, what was the whole point of her calling me to meet up with me? And she doesn't want to give me answers. And I'm distracted now. And I'm even scared they'll actually notice at home because now things are not like they used to be anymore. And the girl actually found out and I'm married on the side.
Hold on. So you are married?
Married on the side.
So the marriage is a side hustle. Okay.
No. My wife,
Hold on. Wait. Yeah.
Anonymous.
Yeah.
Wait.
And I don't know.
Anonymous. See. Wait. Anonymous, wait. Breathe. We are coming back. Breathe. Get some water.
In our headlines at 10:30, Gauteng Community Safety Chairperson Bandile Masuku says accountability must be allowed to run its course following charges against senior police officials. And 4 suspects have been shot dead following a shootout with the police at Site C in Khayelitsha, Cape Town. Details at 11.
It's 32 minutes after 10 o'clock. Ask a Man, The Naked DJ, Somizi, as well as Anonymous. Anonymous, I'm checking in. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay.
Anonymous, quick question.
Mm-hmm.
I'm being sincere, honestly.
You are okay?
I'm saying, are you a he or a she?
I'm a he.
Okay, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure. Guna my lesbian, so.
I'm a he.
Okay, Anonymous. So
Okay.
you are married.
Can I give the summary before we continue?
Yes.
I want to confuse us. Somizi.
No, serious.
Okay, no.
It could have been a butch lesbian.
Fokutsa.
Okay. Kutsa.
Fukutsa or Okutso?
Kutsa.
Oh. And Anonymous called us in September last year as he was caught between his main partner and his side. Ne? And couldn't decide which one to go with, basically. After he called us last year, he decided to continue with his long-term partner and they got married. Everything was fine until his ex-side girl reached out to him. They met. But both now say that the side says that she wants nothing to do with him. He says he was over her, but after seeing her last week, all the feelings are now back. I'm focused. Anonymous, was that good enough, my friend?
Yes, it was.
Thank you.
And he's confused, Hori. Why did she call this meeting?
Correct.
You know?
So,
Yes.
Naked, please.
Naked, the way you are confused, that is me right now. I don't know why she called. I went to her, like we spoke for about less than 3 minutes. And then I had to leave because I had a meeting to attend to. And then our initial agreement was that we'll hook up later after the meeting. So when I called her later, she doesn't answer. Okay, I decided to let it go. And then she texted me saying, listen, I'm busy, I'll call you back. Okay, fine. I decided, you know what, this one is going to waste my time. Let me get on with my day. As I'm driving and I'm going home, I saw her car. Her car was parked in a certain yard. And that is the very same yard me and her once had a conflict about. And then I decided, okay, this person is saying to me, oh, busy. She's parked in this yard. What's going on? I decided to park on the side, and then I called her. She never answered. I actually waited for her for about 3 hours for her to come back from that yard. She came back and she came out of the very same person whom I had a problem with while I was with her.
Okay.
And then now she's still claiming or they are not dating, they are friends and stuff like that.
Okay, Anonymous.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Putam. At the moment when this is happening, you guys are not seeing each other, right?
No, completely not.
And then, how did she lie when she said she was busy?
How did she?
You said she lied. She said she was busy, but she was in that house with that guy that you had a problem with.
Yes, but time when I was still around town, she said to me, listen, I'm busy, I'll contact you.
Yes.
That's when I decided, listen, let me just go on with my day.
Yes.
And I had to go home and take something there. As I'm driving, going home,
Take
I
what?
saw her car.
Anonymous,
Hold on.
Anonymous, you're not getting what Somizi is saying.
Yes.
Somizi is
Okay.
saying, when you're a married man, your
Yes,
marriage is
yes,
your
yes.
business. What she says to you, she can say whatever. It's none of your
Yes.
business. Like,
True.
it's
she
not a
didn't
lie.
lie.
It's not a lie. She was busy.
She was busy, or she was being busied on. But she didn't lie, Anonymous. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. But now, you wait for 3 hours.
Imagine.
Why for 3 hours?
The reason I waited was because I needed answers, actually, of why did you make contact with me? What was the whole point?
Okay. All right.
Ngaleso sikhathi, like, I'm sure you were so turned on in that car. Like, how good was she looking when you saw her?
Yeah, make it, you don't want to know. Hey,
We
are
do.
we on radio? I can't say it out loud.
No.
Okay, no,
No,
you
as long
can't.
as it's not she was looking good.
She was looking yummy.
She was
Okay.
looking super yummy. So now
Super
you're
yummy.
sitting in
The
that.
weather was alright.
The what? The weather
The
was
weather.
right. I like
Yeah.
how he pronounces his R's.
Yeah. So you were like just sitting for 3 hours turned on in your car, waiting for her to come out.
Waiting for her to come out.
And she
then
never-
she comes out with the very same guy whom I had a conflict with last year.
So, Anonymous, you are stressing me
Mm-hmm. Wow, so amazing.
because you are busy chasing other people's whilst your person is waiting at home shivering.
So
And
amazing.
getting
I was not chasing her. I was completely done with her.
With who?
Completely. With the lady. I was completely done with her. Till she made contact.
Okay, I get you. Now, you said something that I don't want to ignore because I'm not sure what you meant. You said you went home to get something.
Yes, I was actually on the way home to get something.
Oh.
That's when I saw her car while I'm on the
So
way.
you stay in the
going
same area.
Yes.
How many streets apart?
Four.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay. So, let's go back to your marital status. What's going on in your marriage?
Listen, right now, to be honest,
Be honest, please.
I'm very, very happy in that marriage. Hey, everything is smooth sailing. I'm not lying.
You are.
I'm not lying.
You are.
The feelings were just gone, but then they came back when I actually met up with her.
The feelings for who?
For the ex side.
For the ex.
No, but you said your marriage, you're very, very happy.
But so Mizina, as he said, last year he said this was the ex was the best sex he's ever had.
Yes.
And so Mizi, you'd be lying to us right now.
Yeah.
And
I'm
there's
begging.
there's that sex
Yes.
that you cannot forget.
Yes.
There's that sex in G. Not like you know you have flashbacks.
What does not forgetting have to do with you giving access to that sex?
Pela.
Sorry?
What does great sex have to do with you giving it access again? There's a difference. Just because I can't forget your sex does not mean you can have access.
Yeah, but some things you just don't.
No,
you can't just forget them.
Okay,
so easily.
so Anonymous. So when she called you for a meet up, you were hoping at least she was going to at least Agupenyan. No, come on.
You just have to say it out straight like that.
No,
Yes.
but yes, Sangisho, this is what Ask a Man is for.
Okay, I'm gonna be straight open with
straight.
you, ne?
Yeah,
I just had that hope
that's right. And
because I know how to win her over. So I just knew. Listen, this one once is in front of me, we're done.
and Gandhi, the tables have turned.
Can do the tables of ten.
Yeah, and she knew how to park that car. She knew
She
how
knew,
to
right?
she knew how to reverse that car to back it up, And she made sure Guti, this guy had her in there pinned down for 3 hours, giving her something that she knows Uguti you miss. Because you used to tell her how good she was, right? You used to tell her how great she was, didn't you?
She's great.
Exactly. That's the problem, my brother. Now she knows she's got something over you.
Okay.
And she will still play with your mind. Sometimes
she's doing that. She's doing that.
Sometimes she'll just park the car there, take Uber somewhere for 5 hours when you'll be parked outside waiting. Because she knows you are, you are like putty in her hands when it comes to her vagina.
But what is the whole point of doing that?
To do this to you.
For what good reason?
To mess up with your mind.
Well, I had to lash her hair.
Yes, because you wanted to get married.
Yeah, and focus on my life, actually, and try to build something solid.
Yeah,
okay.
But then now you are being derailed by vagina that you didn't even have last week. Somebody else.
The devil is back, hey?
Somebody else was having it while when you busy, you're a spectator. Stop nonsense. You see why they call it stop nonsense?
That very same guy whom I'm sure was having it, ne?
That very same guy, when's any?
I'm saying that very same guy who was busy with her for 3 hours in that house, ne? I used to be friends of that guy.
Okay, another story, another twist. And then what happened? We've got the whole day. What happened?
Sorry?
What happened to the friendship?
Okay. Growing up, hey, we had a competition of women, me and the guy.
Yes.
So that's where the problem began.
Unamanga. You know why?
Let me tell you what happened actually. And him to stop being friends. Ne? We used to have a competition of girls, ne? And then one day he got the girl that I wanted so bad, and again he went on to get the girl that I had at the time.
Okay. Can I ask something? Something is really not sitting well with my spirit. And please, just answer yes or no. Ne? I'm not saying the area. Are you from Limpopo?
Yeah. Am I from?
Limpopo.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
why?
Yeah?
Why?
He sounds like... Hey, when?
I sound like who?
But you now stay in Joburg, ne?
Yes, I do.
Yo,
wait,
guys,
why?
It sounds like someone you might have known
that I've just dumped.
No, so means.
I'm telling you.
What do you mean?
Oh, they sound the same, as in they dialect
maybe
or.
We sound the same.
No, you are.
No comment. We sound the same.
I can tell you. I know this voice.
Really?
Oh, he hurt me. Because okay, now it's gonna have my own comment. So I told her when I went to the date and don't do any country, only to find out this guy is engaged and married, and I was about to get married.
Okay, I remember when you told us
yes.
that. You never said it on air, but you told us off air.
Yes, and you are well off unemali, ne?
I'm alive. That's all I can say.
Wait, what did you say?
He's alive.
He's alive. He's pleading the fifth.
Okay.
It's fine.
What's going on?
Okay, let's not confuse the listeners. It's fine, but it is what it is. I know this voice. But anyway, Anonymous, how can we help you?
I'm confused for Mizi and Kutoli Naked Busy. I don't know what to do.
Okay, my love.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, baby, listen. I think focus on your marriage.
He can't,
right?
so easy. Because he's thinking about her, how great she is in bed. Now he's, as you'd say, discombobulated.
Yes.
You know? All he's thinking about is this thing that he wants to have.
Okay.
And she is better than the wife.
All right. I'm giving you advice, Anonymous. I hope you're going to take it.
I hope so, hey?
Yes. You've got very stalkerish tendencies.
Yeah, that much I do.
Yes, I know. I'm telling you, I'm not asking you. You've got very stalkerish tendencies. And you are the type that would call 70 times back to back. Have you gotten rid of that habit?
No, the habit is gone.
It's gone. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Listen, Anonymous. We'll come back and I will give you the very best advice, okay?
Okay.
All right, love.
Kuto, I think you and I should leave the room.
I really do think so.
Yeah.
Som, you can take over.
Stop.
Noni?
Hello?
Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Yes. Kiri, I think, to be honest, ne, you need to... This lady is distracting your focus on your marriage.
Okay.
Ne? How's the sex at home with the wife?
How's that?
How's the sex at home with the wife?
Look, from how it was last year when I spoke to you guys, it honestly improved.
It's improved, ne?
Yeah, it's improved
You
because
see-
we decided to be open about it and talk about it.
You see, you need to focus on the positive things that are happening in your home.
Okay?
Ne? You've got a beautiful wife that really loves you. You have a beautiful home, warm, and focus on your wife. Forget about these distractions. Ne?
Yep.
Block this lady. Block this lady.
Okay?
Ne?
Uh-huh.
Block this lady. Never stalk again. Just focus on your wife. You have a beautiful thing going on, and you don't want to lose what you have with something that is not really that important.
Yes.
Okay, Papa.
Uh-huh.
Let's hear what Naked is saying.
Oh, you're gonna grill me.
No.
You're gonna grill me.
No,
No, it's not,
I've
Shem.
turned over a new leaf,
He's
Shem.
nice to say.
Has
Yeah.
Somizi not done that for you?
Sorry?
I've been
Nothing?
nice to you, ne?
No, Somizi has been nice to me.
Okay.
And no, I'm not saying, Naked is not nice, because remember the advice he gave me last year, that's the one that it got me actually where I am today.
Okay.
So it worked actually.
All right.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Yeah, it worked. It's a 10 out of 10 for Ask a Man.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
So, hence, I'm not going to grill you today. You must
Okay.
just revert to the past, right?
Uh-huh.
I just want to ask you, going forward, Somizi just said to you, you need to let go of her. You need to block the ex going forward. So, how are you going to go about that, my brother? Because when you say, because we can tell, Uguti, right now, her sex has you so unfocused. And how you said when you met her, you know, you were just salivating. Like, I can even hear, Uguti, yo, lo mama, ucontsisa amate. You know what I mean? So
Yes, yeah, I know what you're saying.
how are you going to make sure that you actually get over this lust that you
I
have?
think what I should do, because I'm thinking if I block her, it's going to be a bit difficult for me, because she'll still have my number. She'll still call me using other numbers. I don't know if changing numbers will work, but I'm thinking of trying that. Okay? Yeah, because just blocking her, I doubt it will work.
And you know
Yeah, I
what?
can block her, but I know she's got so many numbers that you can call me with.
Nah, she's not going to call you. Because, you see, when she called you up to meet up with you,
Uh-huh.
she wanted to see if she still craved you.
Okay.
And unfortunately, she realized, Uguti,
She doesn't, yeah.
yeah, she doesn't crave you anymore.
Okay.
That's why when you were supposed to say, nah, we'll meet up later, and then later never happened. So the
Yeah.
way that you are feeling for her, unfortunately, she's not feeling that for you. But she's
Okay.
still going to punish you, Shem.
Yeah, ne?
Everybody else that's going to get that great sex, you are going to know about it. And you,
and I know already. eh?
yeah, you know, there'll be more, and you are going to see it. You are going to be punished. But it's
Mara, she mustn't torture me like that.
how it's not torture. Akiri at home, it's improving.
Yeah, at home it's improving, but she must just simply let me go. Just like I've let her go.
Yeah, but you know, there's certain things, remember, you don't decide.
Very true.
Akiri, you were in a relationship, you decided to
Yes.
bring her in, and then you decided to let her go.
Yes.
Now it's time for her to punish you.
Mm.
Just
I hear you.
yeah, just let her do whatever she wants to do. If you're not focused, you're gonna lose your marriage.
Yeah, fair enough.
And then now when you go back to that same neighborhood to pick up your kids, you're gonna see your current wife's car in that same man's yard as well.
Hey, bruh.
Maybe you're gonna find both cars there. And they'll be giving this friend of yours a matrisam. Because when Angisho, you can't control your urges.
Yeah.
They're gonna
Right.
punish you.
No, I hear you.
Okay, Papa.
I hear
Bye-bye,
you.
ne? All the
I'll
best.
definitely do what's best.
Okay.
When,
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
when are
guys.
you guys gonna see each other?
I'm
Bye.
also still there. When are you and
When I
Somizi
know-
Ah, yeah.
gonna see each other?
Bye-bye. Anoni, bye-bye.
Bye, Somizi.
Bye, baby.
It's amazing.
Emhlabeni. Hey.
All roads lead to the Durban ICC. Saturday, the 25th of April. It is the Metro FM Music Awards 2026 live. Metro FM Music Awards 2026. Get your tickets, but let's advise Anonymous. Let's take your calls. What advice do you have for Anonymous? 5 minutes to get your advice. Metro FM, it's where you want to be. The Naked DJ. So easy, man. And we've got Lesego out in Springs.
Hey, good.
How are you, Lesego?
I'm great. Mapuna,
Wala.
Somkaka.
Hey.
Perfect. I have another view. I think Anonymous too has a problem with the guy who was competing with back in the days, and now he's having his girlfriend. So his insecurities are, what are they talking about when they are both together? I think that's where the problem is. That's where Anonymous has having a problem between everything and everything in this regard. So it's not about the ego and everything. The ego is there for what are they talking about when they're together, because they both knew what they are mutual persons. It's Anonymous.
But Lesego, do you really think he cares about what they're talking about, or he cares about what they are doing?
If you can listen very carefully about where is the stand. It's not about the sex and everything. It's about the guy who was competing with him back in the days, and the girl that he had, yeah? And who was giving him the best sex ever.
Okay.
All right. We'll leave it there. Lesego? Okay. Let's head on over to Matt out in Johannesburg. Matt, good morning.
Morning, friends.
How are you?
I'm awesome, thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
What's your advice?
Yeah, I think Anonymous should focus on his family. I consider that as a temptation. And what the ex-girlfriend is doing to him, she knows the power she had on him. And it's a validation that she's doing. She wants to validate herself and also to see where she stands as far as the current wife, and does he love more of the current wife, or can he still be tempted by her? So if he's going to play this back and forth, unfortunately, it might put him in bad records with his wife at a later stage, and he might end up losing both.
Thank you, Matt.
Heading on over to your voice notes. Let's take a listen.
Hi, morning breakers. Morning breakers.
Morning.
Yeah, so Mizi, the naked DJ, and Kuts.
Hey.
Yeah, my advice to Anonymous, I think he must just focus in his marriage and leave that one alone, because he's gonna get hurt and he's gonna lose his wife. Yeah, great show, guys. It's Kingsley in Springs. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kingsley. Let's head on over to a final voice note.
Hi team, good morning. Let me just give my 2 cents. Anonymous ikaro confused, guys. Anonymous o confused. Anonymous o nyetse, o na le mosadi, he's got a wife. And then on this side, o wa ritika motho eleng gore o itse keng ha se part of life ya gagwe. Yes, she was part of his life, but now not anymore. Anonymous ha move on. A kere sexy improve like a motlong. Have I tried to do some other things, and then I focus on that. Also is living her life. She's living her life, and also don't want her spoke if he doesn't block her, if he doesn't get out of her life. Palesa from Bloemfontein. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Palesa. Gentlemen.
Married men, love yourselves, man. Your kids need you. Your wives need you. It's like your kids are playing soccer today. They're at prize giving. They're achieving things, and they're like, Tsepo, where's your father? Like, come on, respect yourselves, guys. Respect yourselves. Get out of the streets.
It's true. And like, why get married if you still want to gallivant?
Exactly, because he knew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, ngiyabajudge, I mean, Hashem. I don't condone gallivanting, especially when you are married. What's up, Coops?
Tibunutaba batende njani mnaka?
Tibunutaba batigcwele strata sonke esidwashini lelitsitsini.
It's 11 o'clock.